Hey guys, my name is Eon and I would like to invite you to my character design bootcamp. In this 5-day bootcamp, you will learn how to create captivating, memorable characters for your 2D animations. Now, this bootcamp is not where we create characters inside a animation software or teach you how to rig your characters. This is all about character design. So how can you create characters that are memorable, that audiences will absolutely fall in love with? And so it's a 5-day boot camp. So every day we have training sessions and we also have live Q&A sessions. And the great thing about this boot camp is that even if you can't make these sessions, it is set up in a way that you can actually watch these training sessions and Q&A sessions anytime that best suits you, so you can work through this bootcamp at your own pace, at your own time as well. So it is a great bootcamp. It will really help you create memorable characters that will help tell your story so much better, and characters that audiences will relate to and also will fall in love with. This bootcamp is $25, and as I've mentioned, it is over a period of 5 days, so it works out $5 a day. It is the best investment that you as an animator can make to make your characters so much better. So I hope to see you guys inside the bootcamp. The link is in the description below. So hope to see you there.